Hi everyone. So today what we are going to make is this heart for the Mother's Day activity. Okay, this I made it from very hard paper, as I told, like it's a cancer paper. So you need to use that paper, then only it will stay stiff like this. Otherwise it will be very plain when you are making it with the normal printer paper. Okay, so what you do, this template is available on Classera. You can take the printout. Two printouts you need to take. The same thing should be taken twice. So as I told you before, the other video, you take a roll of tape and put it wherever the lines are not there, and you will stick it to the paper, and then you will trace all the dotted lines. After that you will cut on the plain lines, and once you do like that, you will get two pieces like this. Okay, these lines, dotted lines, will be the folding lines, and the plain lines we had cut it out. So two will be there. There is like very less joints. We will see how to make it. So once it is done, you need to make the folds. All the dotted lines, you have to make the folds there. So make that fold properly with the help of a scale, and don't make any extra folds and all. It should be proper. Make the folds properly. When you press the pen nicely and draw the folds, it will be very easy for you to make the folds. You don't have to put extra paint. So draw the lines very dark with the pen, which is not working for the dotted lines. This side it should be very careful. It is not straight, so you will stop it when there is like where the joint is there. You need to stop it over there. So carefully make all the folds. To the point where it is there. Don't make any extra folds. So all the folds are made. Like this, you need to make it on the other side, other piece also. It is all same only. So you need to make it on this piece same. Okay, one thing you have to see before folding is you have to draw it, fold it on the side where you have made the drawing, like the dotted line, where you press that side you need to fold, because when you align it, like this, like the folded side and the folded side is aligned, it should be like this, then only you will be able to stick it and make it as a 3D form. If you are making the fold on both the sides same, it will be like this and it won't be able for you to stick it. So make sure that you are making the fold on the side where you are drawing, and that will be coming like this, like a jigsaw puzzle, so that you can stick it properly, it will come in proper place. So that should be taken care while you are folding. Okay, if you had made a mistake, no problem, make the fold the opposite, the other way. Okay, but it will be loose then, so it is better always to see that and do it. Now what you will do, we will finish one side first. For that, what you will do, we'll start from the inside. Take glue, gun glue, if you want you can use, but if you are confident enough you can use, otherwise there is a nice chance for you to get burnt, because these are very small folds. So put the glue and wait for 1 minute, hold it and wait. Align the fold line with the cut line. See, this is the fold line and this is the cut line, it should align it. Both should be overlapped and like in a same line, so that it will not be seen, and that makes one fold. So that is stuck. We'll put glue here. Now align them and hold it for a minute. And wait, it's done. Now we'll go for this side. Again, take glue. Only on the tab we will be putting the glue and line it and hold it. You can keep a tissue and clear the extra glue that are coming out from the fold like this. Hold it for a minute and that's done. Now we stick this. Don't put too much glue. We put what is required. Too much glue means it will look very messy. Make sure to align, clear the extra glue and wait. Once that is dry, so you go inside, there is a tab here. This tab you have to stick. So put glue over here. And stick it towards like this. Here it will be this way and here it will be like this. Hold it. And that's it. Now we will see there is only one more here. This also you need to, I didn't make the fold, see. Now put the glue here. Aligning them and holding in place. And remove the excess glue. So that makes a half an heart. You need to do the same step on here. For sticking, again you make sure that fold is coming properly. See, if I stick over this side, it will go down and it is coming like it's like a jigsaw puzzle only. So now you can go ahead and stick it. If you are making it on a pattern side, make the drawing on the pattern paper, make the drawing on the wrong side on for both the paper. Then it will come properly. Do the same on the other side. And stick it and hold it. As I told, this will be coming, the sticking is towards up. So like that you have to stick it and hold it for a while. So that makes both the half. Now we need to join them together like this to make it as a 3D. So now we'll start from one side, put glue here and here, and see this one, the third one there. In between one is coming, that, so we'll stick, hold it there, hold it and hold it. Okay, now we'll go for the other sides. Take glue and glue inside the tabs. Only on the tabs you will be putting. Okay, now after sticking all the sides like one after the other, you can use gun glue if you want. Gun glue, if you are confident enough, you can use it. This is the template which I provide to you on Classera. If you take the printout, you'll get MAK and make it, you'll get of this size. The heart will be of this size. This is a little bit a bigger one. See, for hanging, what you do, put a dot glue here and attach a string and you can hang it, and you can put a small heart or something like that and write love you mom or happy Mother's Day on that, or you can put another glue over here and another string, and on that you can decorate, or you can put some tassels or something like that. You can decorate it like that. You can make it, and you can make it using a patterned paper also. This I made with two cardstock 12 by 12. This is the biggest size I made. So this is same thing. It's only thing is it is a bigger size. That's all. The pattern is same. So like that you can for this you need to make the enlarge the template and do it. This is the A4 size template, and this is for the 12 by 12. I'll be providing you with the A4 size. So that is the way you have to make it, and hope you all liked it. Have a nice day.